5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The competition has begun. Who will be the 2024 Fun Champion? Oh, everybody's going in. My man in the pink shirt over here is going down. Oh, that's a big load he got in there. Let's go, y'all. Who's gonna win? Who's in first place right now? Old School over here in the corner. He's chowing down. Look at him. Yes, sir. No small bites in this competition, y'all. I'm trying really hard to keep this commentary like appropriate, but it's hard. How do you describe the way to eat this without being weird? Let's go, people! Let's go, cheer them on! Eat. Everybody put your hands together. Let's get a slow clap going for them. Ready?
Sheriff deputies.
Faster!
Somebody from the sheriff's department.
And the paramedics are here. So you're in good hands, homies. Eat away. You're in safe hands. Now the competitors here, y'all. We have 1 minute and 25 seconds so far. 1 minute and 25 seconds. I think the bowls got bigger from last year, no? They got bigger. He said, nah, they're not eating them in 2 minutes this year. Let's go. Make some noise for Now Far, y'all, for donating all this delicious food. And give it up for the competitors! Let me see the fist bumps. Hey. Yes, I knew it. I knew these moves were in the K-pop group, bro. Tell me not. Yeah, we got 2 minutes and 13 seconds. 2 minutes and 13 seconds so far. Let's go.
You got this, Jory.
My brother in the pink shirt has not stopped eating one time. I love it. Let's go. He's on fire. I think he might be in the lead so far. Hey, don't throw it down. You got it. Keep it in. Do we have emergency buckets? And make some noise for all the organizers who's in there, y'all. What a beautiful event. Right in the barrio. Que viva nuestra gente.
Everyone knows this dance.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Hey!
Gangnam Style. Oppan
There you go. The dance moves are helping, bro. You're burning calories. You're burning calories.
Gangnam Style.
Let's go, y'all. We got 2 front runners right here. My man in the pink cap and in the pink shirt. Going down. 2. It's coming down to the wire, y'all. Ya no les queda broth, no más noodles. No broth left, all noodles, baby. We're at 3 minutes and 43 seconds, y'all. 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Can they make it under 4? Uh-oh. It's going down.
We're just seeing broth now in some of those bowls.
We don't want the noodles back.
Oh,
Keep it to
hell, you
yourself.
may get it. Come on, Adam and Hal.
The pink shirt
Ryan.
going down. My brother over here is challenged.
We have almost a
Get our
winner.
vegetables. All the
We have
vegetables left.
almost a winner.
My man in the pink. We got a winner.
No, not yet, almost.
Almost.
Hal is almost there. Ryan, you
Tenemos
got
un
this,
emergency gift
brother.
basket in case you need it.
Come on, Adam.
Coming down. Clap it up, everybody. We're at the straight away. Is that what we call it in the fun eating competition? The straight away.
He is done with noodles.
Only noodles? Done with noodles.
He's done with
Just the broth. My favorite. Is he gonna drink it?
Have to drink
From a
it
cereal.
all.
Come on, let's go. You got this. You got this. Come on, y'all. They got it. Make some noise for the competitors.
Hal, you got that. Brian, you got
It's all
this.
worth it. The stomach pain will go away. But your pride will remain forever, Holmes.
2024.
Let's
Oh, he's on his front. He's on the front.
He's out of Brock. It's going down.
Come on, Brian. Come on, Adam.
Everybody, he's about to finish.
Good. Good. Make your noise. Come on.
Bring him home. Bring him
Come
home.
on. When you win, stand up.
Come on, yo. He needs your love. He needs your attention.
If
He's
you,
gonna do it under 5 minutes.
if you
Oh,
win.
come on, you got it. 6 minutes. We're at 5:30 right now.
Stand up if you got it.
And we got a winner.
Stand up. Stand up. Oh. Wait.
First place, 5 minutes and 42 seconds, y'all. Make some noise.
5 minutes, 42 seconds.
¿Quién va a
Yes.
llegar en segundo lugar? Who's
Yes.
coming in second place? Brother, we got a duel off right here. He's drinking. Let's go. We got between these two gentlemen right here. Let's go, y'all. We need napkins and we need applause for the competitors. Come on. My man has leftovers ready to go too. This isn't his only meal for the night, baby.
Come on, Adam.
Let's
Come on,
go.
Brian. These
And give it
two.
up for everybody else who's participated, y'all. See, I like Sis's approach. And I'm gonna take my time.
You are the
I'm gonna
greatest
enjoy it.
brave. Adam every second.
We got second place.
We have a problem.
Second place battle coming down. Let's go, y'all. You got this. You got this. Oh, number 2, really close.
Wait, what do we have for the second place winner, Homer?
Get coming, pero it's a lot of awesome things. They only gave me first place. I was told it's a bunch of cool swag stuff from all the different organizations around as well.
And then, and there's the bragging rights.
And the bragging rights to be the one and only FUT champion. Yo, make some noise. We got second place.
Come on, Adam!
All right, second place finisher with a time of 7 minutes and 11 seconds. Make some noise for second place.
Stand up! Stand up! Stand up!
Oh, my man in all black, he got hard.
7-Eleven is a lucky time. Oh, this guy is getting close.
Side by side.
Oh, that's him. This guy is getting close. Third place, baby. Third place, baby. You got
Oh,
this.
we got a duel off once again. My man in the black hat and my man in the other black hat. It's going down. Let's go, y'all. We got some water because water is life. Don't forget, make sure you stay hydrated.
Black hat showdown.
Let's go, y'all. Make some noise for the competitors one time, y'all. Let's go. You can do it. You
You're almost
can do
there.
it.
You're almost there.
Come on. Second to third place. Yamero.
Come
You're
on.
almost there.
You're almost there. He's on the front.
Uh-oh. Don't let your fall blow away. This is some fun that will blow you out of your mind.
This guy is almost there.
We're almost there, y'all. We're almost there. Push through the pain. I believe in you.
Brother, I think this is phenomenal.
It's phenomenal.
You are almost there.
I'm a fanatic for this. Let's go, y'all. Make some noise.
Whatever flowers. Wait, we can see the backwards.
I know, that outside of point. It's wonderful.
We had some paper afterwards.
Make some noise for third place in the back.
Be careful you don't have a chair.
It's 9 minutes and 1 second. Give it up for my man. Third place.
Thank you.
Shake it. Shake that. Baby got far.
Yes.
Baby got far. Yeah. One more time for now fun, for the delicious fun. And for every competitor.
Can I get you guys to stand up here? I'll get you to stand over here.
Wonderful size of being out here.
Here's our 1, 2, 3 winner. First place winner, second place, third place. Yes. We have prizes right here. This one. Let me see. This is for you. Thank you. Good job.